What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing part 3 of the ported supercharger install. Here I got the engine. I still need to change the crossover behind the engine, but let me show you guys the supercharger. So if you guys remember, on the last video we went ahead and installed the rotors back into the case, and I went ahead and removed the cover so that way I can press this hub onto the shaft, as you can see. So now that it's in there, we can go ahead and add some oil onto this thing, and so we can go ahead now and install this cover back on and then add some oil. I'm gonna clean all this first, and then I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but I did get some oil for the supercharger. It's right here. So this is the oil that I got for the supercharger. I still don't know how much I'm gonna use, but I'll Google it in just a second whenever I'm ready to fill it back up. And one more thing I forgot to mention: before you install the rotors back into the case, make sure you grease the bearings, the two bearings that go right here inside the case. Alright, so I got the rear cover installed, and now it's gonna go over how much oil this thing takes. You can actually damage the blower if you overfill it, so just gotta be careful. So this thing only takes around 5 ounces, and this bottle has 8 ounces, so I'm gonna do my best to just try to add whatever it calls for. So we should have around 2 ounces left. So we got about 2 ounces left inside the bottle. I think that's more than enough. Alright, so supercharger is ready to go. Need to install the snout back on, and we should be ready. Look how nice it looks back there, man. You can now actually see the rotors. Before you couldn't even see this one. Alright guys, so we got the snout back onto the supercharger, we got the throttle body, we got the pulley. So now we got the, all we gotta do is install these manifolds back onto the supercharger, and it should be ready to go back into the car. I already went ahead and did the crossover behind the supercharger. I tried to film for you guys, but it was really hard to get that thing off. There's not enough space in here, and all you need to do is just remove 2 bolts on each side, but they're really hard to get to, and I ended up not filming. I apologize for that, but I already got it in. So now all we gotta do is assemble the supercharger, and then it should be ready to go back in. I'm hoping I'll have it ready for tonight. It's about 1 p.m. right now, so hopefully I'll have it ready for tonight. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. On the next video, we're gonna install the supercharger and then install the heat shields and all that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.